The error code E20 on a higher dishwasher indicates a drainage issue. This problem can be caused by a clogged drain hose or a failed drain pump. To fix the issue, start by checking the drain hose. Unplug the dishwasher, remove it from its cabinet space, and lay it on its back to locate the drain pump assembly. Inspect the drain hose for any kinks or blockages, and unclog or replace it if necessary. Once this is done, stand the dishwasher back up, plug it in, and check if the error code persists. If the issue remains, the next step is to replace the drain pump. This involves unplugging the dishwasher, removing it from the cabinet, and laying it on its back to access the drain pump assembly. Disconnect the drain hose and wire connectors. Remove the old pump, and install a new one, reconnecting the drain hose and wires as needed. Finally, stand the dishwasher up, slide it back into the cabinet, reconnect the power, and check if the error code has been cleared.